This is Darlington from Darlington Academy. And in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys a quick way on how to change a Canada application address. So in essence, let's say you have an application in process and you've relocated, even if you're within Canada, in the United States, or outside of Canada and the United States, and you've switched as into a new location or to a new apartment or a new house, and you need to change your application address so that once it's approved, it can be sent to you to your new address. This is how you're going to be doing that. So for this particular demo, I'm going to try and make this video straight to the point. For this particular demo, we're going to be looking at three situations. First situation is when you are applying from within Canada, as you can see on my screen, and the other one should be when you're applying from the inside in the United States, and finally when you're applying from outside Canada and the United States. So for this link, I'll leave it in the description area below, so that, because one thing I've noticed is that it's always hard to find all these little links on the Canada website. So I'll leave it in the description area so that whoever is looking to change their address, click on that link and it takes you exactly to this point. So if you're in Canada, all you have to do is on the drop down menu, you choose in Canada, get information. And here it shows you the steps on what to do. It's going to give you a breakdown of someone who is able to change their address online, and the documents, which is the step 2, the documents you're going to be needing, and then step 3, use the online service to tell us of your change of address, and you're going to hit start. But then down here, in case you are unable to do that, it says, what if I can't change my address online? Then you can use the web form. So I've already made a video on how to contact IRCC using a web form. I'll also leave it in the description area below for anyone looking as in to use that particular link to reach out or get information from IRCC. So if you're someone in Canada and you've gone through this whole process, then the next thing you do is you click on start. Once you do that, you're going to read the security questions, terms and conditions. Hit on I have read and agreed, and then continue. And then here you're going to provide, because I don't have any application, I'm not going to go through with the whole process, but this is just like a simple guide on what to do. You're going to choose your identification code or ID number, case number, whatever works for you or what you're trying to figure out. And then you're going to put that number here, put your surname, your date of birth, your place of birth, and then you are going to hit continue. And once you hit continue, it's going to take you through the whole process. And this is for someone in Canada. And let's say you're someone who is applying from the United States of America, and you choose that again from the drop down menu. You choose in the United States of America, get information. Then it's telling you that for any immigration application, you are going to contact the Canadian Visa Office for your region to change your address. So for anybody in the United States working on any immigration application and you're trying to change your address, you are going to contact the Canadian Visa Office. When you click on that, it's going to look like this. So for someone in the US, United States, as you can see here, you have Los Angeles, New York. So let's just check on one. And let's say in your region, it's New York. Then you are going to find how to contact them, find out how to contact this visa office if you've received instruction to do so. So there are options here. For case specific, you can use the web form, and then all other ways, they're just going to guide you through on how to go through that process. And this is for someone applying from the United States of America, and for any citizenship application, you are going to use the web form. I will leave the link on how to use the web form, like I said earlier on, in the description area of this video. So for someone with cases about a refugee and asylum application, you're going to send your change of address to this backlog reduction office in Vancouver. Once you click on it, it's going to show you exactly what to do. And this is for someone applying within the United States of America. And if you're someone who is applying outside Canada and the United States, which in the drop-down menu, you're going to choose this, get information, same process. For any immigration application, you are going to contact the Canadian office, a visa office. So again, we're just going to do a quick demo. You click on that, you can see you can just go use here to choose your country. So for this one, let's just use the first country we have, which is Afghanistan, Abu Dhabi. Once you click on that, it's going to tell you what to do. Again, contact us. Find out how to contact this visa office, then to find out where to submit your application, see the instruction guide, case specific. So this is more like guiding you. Then for general information, this is how to reach out to them. So for visa offices in Abu Dhabi, United Arab Emirates, right? So that's basically how you guys can do, can change your application address. Again, if it's for a Canadian application, you're going to contact the Canadian Embassy to tell them your new address using the web form, right? So this is more like a simple guide. I know if I try to dive more into it step by step, it's going to take longer, and that is not what I'm trying to do. The goal is to get you guys the link, because it's a struggle to find some of these little links on the Canada website. So if this video is of value to you, share with your friends, and if you have questions, leave it in the description area below and I will reach out to you guys. Thank you so much for watching, and bye for now.